1.5 million people are searching for the term YouTube automation every month. And the reason is it's becoming a massive side hustle, a great way to make money online. Like videos like this. Look at these videos. These are insane, and they were made with just 1 or 2 clicks, and they're getting millions and millions of views. And you can put that on your social media, your YouTube, whatever. I've personally monetized 3 YouTube channels, and here are my earnings. You can see that these are my earnings in the first month. And I use these AI tools all the time. And these are my earnings from affiliate marketing. I've done this as well. So there's plenty of ways to make money. So what I've done is put together something very new, very special. It's called the YouTube Automation Bible. It's going to be available very soon. When it is, I'll give you early access. Now, I'm going to be teaching you how to make these viral videos for very low cost, or sometimes no money at all. I'm going to be showing you how to monetize YouTube, how to grow on YouTube. I'm going to be showing how to get views on YouTube and TikTok and all your social media. And I'm going to show you how to do affiliate marketing too, all for free. If you want in on this, just simply opt in. You'll be on my early registration list, and I'll email it out to you once it's available. And so go ahead and opt in right now, and with your name and email, and I'll see you on the other side. All right, talk to you later.